Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Hustle Journey. If you're new here, we are at Healthy Hustle Journey channel, and we help simplify health, fitness, and life for you. Today, I've got an easy, beginner-friendly workout that you can do anywhere. No equipment needed. Whether you're just starting or getting back into fitness, this routine will help you build strength and endurance. So grab some water, find a comfortable space, and let's get moving. First, let's get our bodies warmed up. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. This gets your heart rate up and warms up your whole body. Arm circles, 30 seconds, 15 seconds forward, 15 seconds backward. Loosen up those shoulders. Bodyweight squats, 30 seconds. Go as low as comfortable. This will warm up your legs. High knees, march in place, 30 seconds. If jumping is too much, just lift your knees one at a time. Great job. Now we're ready to start the workout. We'll go through each move for 30 seconds, with a short rest in between. Let's go. Squats, 30 seconds. Keep your chest up and sit back like you're sitting in a chair. Push-ups, 30 seconds. Engage your core and go as low as you can comfortably. Glute Bridge, 30 seconds. Great for strengthening your legs and core. Standing march or high knees, 30 seconds. Modify as needed. Keep moving. Shoulder taps, 30 seconds. Keep your body steady. Engage your core. Awesome work. Let's cool down and stretch. Standing hamstring stretch, 20 seconds. Chest stretch, hands behind back, 20 seconds. Side stretch, reach overhead, 20 seconds. You did amazing today. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple fitness routines, and let me know in the comments how you feel. See you in the next one. Stay strong, stay healthy.